to our channel. Today we will be discussing and discovering the secrets of its internal components. I'm Adi Afif, and today I'm going to explain to you the insights of computer memory in this device. This device is actually Lenovo IdeaPad 3. As you can see right here, there's a RAM and SSD right here. Let's kick things off with RAM module that run the computer multitask smoothly. Here it is, the RAM modules. As you can see, this one has particular of 4 GB and the other one too right here. The RAM, or the full name is Random Access Memory, is like a workplace for your laptops, and it temporarily store data for your laptops to store your files and your applications. Now I'm going to move it back to the next one. This one we're going to talk about right here. This is what we call SSD, or solid state driver. It is a permanent storage space. Now I'm going to remove it and show it to you. I'm going to put it right there. And this is what we call SSD. This one, unlike traditional SSD has no moving parts, which means faster data transfer and quicker and better performance for your laptops. And there you have it. A RAM and SSD is a good way and essential components to contribute to its speeds and faster movement and performance for your laptops. Now, let's move on to the task manager once I move on all of this, and let's see how the memory size is. Okay, thank you. Alright, now we are finished. After I replace it with the computer memory, now we're going to check the complementary software features, which is Task Manager. To do that, simply right click on the start buttons and find the Task Manager right here. And then we are going to check the performance on the computer. To do that, as you can see right here, is 87%. Now, you're going to see the increase of it by after I opening this app. And then I'm going to open this. As you can see right here, the computer memory is good. Don't worry, if you don't see it, I can just edit it right here to you to show it to you. It's going to get increases too. So in order to do that, I just simply need to end the task. Right there. And then as you can see right here, it become decreases, and that's how you know the computer memory become the backbone. The more memory on the computer, the more it disrupts your computer and smooth gaming experience. So back to you. In conclusion, everything you need to have at least amount of RAM to run a game or run an application you need. Such as me, for example, I need to run something that I need a staggering amount. I need to have this type of memory so that I can run even smoother. So in more better RAM, the more better the smoother of your gaming experience. So that's it for today, and feel free to ask me any question, and have a nice day.
The first problem that I have on this computer memory is the RAM. The point here is insufficient RAM on multitasking. Running multiple apps simultaneously can cause the laptop to slow down. How I solve this problem is by adding more RAM to the laptop. Right here is the example of the RAM itself. Right here is my laptop spec right here. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see. It rates CPU Intel Core i5-7200. Memory is 4 GB RAM. HDD 1 TB. And this is my new upgraded RAM. Is around 20 GB, which is 19.9 GB usable of RAM. Now we're going to see if the laptop can handle the multitasking smoothly. Alright, I'm going to open the YouTube. Alright, it's okay, pretty smoothly. The quality is 1080p 60 HD. Alright, we're going to open a game right here. As you can see right here, it runs pretty well without any lagging, also that no problems at all. Now we're going back to the YouTube right here.
Best year for video games in over 2 decades, right?
No problem
Honestly,
at all.
are we going to get serious? I think, yes, it is an amazing year for video games to come out. I think it's not a great year for video games insofar as all of the layoffs. I think we want to celebrate all of these games, but maybe there is something missing because a lot of people who made those games are no longer working at those companies.
Another problem that I had related to computer memory is low storage on the hard drive. In order to solve this problem is delete unnecessary files, uninstall unused applications, move large file to an external storage devices, or consider upgrading to a larger storage capacity if needed. For me, I use 2 methods, which is upgrading to SSD storage hard disk. This is my HDD and this one is SSD. This storage have all the Intel perflogs, program files, users, Windows, all of that. For my HDD have the backup data and the apps, maybe some games, save game files, all that. Another method that I use is buy external hard drive. This external hard drive contains 1 terabyte. I keep inside here a lot of movies, maybe an additional games, old pictures, and some old files.
The future of memory types is characterized by a continuous quest for higher capacities, faster speeds, and improved efficiency. While some emerging technologies may play a role in specific applications, the evolution of existing memory types is more likely to be characterized by refinement and optimization rather than outright replacement. Here are some characteristics. The capacity are likely to increase in the future as applications in the operating system become more resource intensive. The demand for larger RAM size will continue to grow. Advancement in manufacturing process may also contribute to higher capacities. The speed improvement will likely continue, driven by advancement in technology and manufacturing. Faster RAM allow for quicker data access, benefiting overall system performance. Replacement, while RAM will likely continue to evolve, it's unlikely to be replaced entirely in the near future. Other emerging technologies such as MRAM and 3D XPoint may complement or augment traditional RAM but are unlikely to replace it entirely. The cache memory capacities and speed are likely to see incremental improvement to keep pace with the increasing demands of modern processors. Faster and larger caches contribute to reducing latency and improving overall system performance. Replacement cache memory is essential for fast data access by the CPU. While there may be advancement in cache hierarchy and architecture, it's unlikely to be replaced by a fundamentally different type of memory.